All right, guys, so welcome to episode 2 of your Craigslist training. This is the video where I break down all the necessary ingredients that you need before you start Craigslist. There are people who experiment with Craigslist, they spend money, lose money, and make money, and they take all of their hard work and research and they put together their training in a training course. This guy, his name is Kyle McClinsky, and I found him online. He has a YouTube channel. He charges almost $300 for his training. He dropped it in January to $99. But it'll go back up soon. It'll go back up to $297 in a few days. So I found out all the secrets for free. I'm giving you guys that in the group. So you guys are very lucky. I may put together my own Craigslist training course and sell it, but this information is very valuable. And again, all my training videos, I will be moving into my Facebook group. I will put all my videos in the files section. So you're going to click files, and there will be a file a little later in the week that will have all my latest videos, all the links. So we'll just keep it very clean and simple. But again, with Craigslist, I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions and all the ingredients to get your first ad on Craigslist. So the first thing you guys need is a Google Voice. Google Voice is a free number. Basically, you go to voice.google.com. It's a number that's free as long as you have access to the internet. You can send calls, you can make calls, receive calls, send and receive text messages, photos. You can record your inbound calls. It's really popular and it's free. And you can use Google Voice to activate your Craigslist account, because every Craigslist account that you create, it needs to be phone verified. And you can use this number for business. So if you don't want to share your personal number on all your ads, whether it's a newspaper, a flyer, a Craigslist ad, you can just sign up for Google Voice and get a Google number to put in all your ads. And it'll be linked to your phone. So when people call that number, your phone will ring. So you come to voice.google.com. This is the first thing y'all are going to get. You're going to click sign in. It's going to take you to the next page. It doesn't matter if it's for personal or business. And it's going to allow you guys to choose a number of any area code. So let's say you're watching this video and you live in Georgia. You more than likely have a Georgia number. Let's say for the purpose of this Google number, you want a different number of a different city, different area code. So let's say if we want to post in New York City, we're going to go to Google. We're going to say, what is a New York phone number, New York area code? So you're going to look up New York area code, and you got 718-212-917. So with that being understood, we're going to type in the city or area code of the city that we want a number of. So we're going to do 917, since that's a New York area code, and we're going to use this number right here. So we're going to hit select. We're going to claim the number. And in order to complete the setup, they need to verify the number. So all I need to do is take my personal number and link it up with my new Google number. They're going to send me a text message, whatever that numerical code is. I've got to re-enter it back into the box to activate it. Okay. Now I'm not going to go and do that now since I already have a Google number. I'm just showing you this for demonstration purposes. But this is what you would do. And if I want to post in New York, which is a very popular city, Craigslist really wants you guys to post locally. They don't really want you posting outside of your state. So I'm teaching you some advanced stuff right now. And in order to get out of state, you have to look like you're out of state. You got to have like a New York number, and you can get a free New York number this way through Google Voice. So once you hit send code, it'll send you the text code to your phone. It may say 5530, whatever that is, type that in and you're activated. Again, I'm not going to go all the way. I already have an account. The second thing you guys need is an app called CC Cleaner. You're going to Google CC Cleaner. This is the icon or the logo, and it's a free app. It looks like this on your desktop. You double click this and it opens up. And what this does is it cleans your computer. So it brushes away all the history and cookies and all your websites that you visited, and it cleans it for the day. It speeds up your computer. There's a free version. This is the free version, and this is the only one you really need. If you want the premium version, you can, but it's unnecessary. So before you post on Craigslist, it is vital. This is the very first thing you do. You always come to CC Cleaner, clean your computer before you post. That is the very first step. And again, I will have the steps outlined in the file section. All right. So with that being said, the third thing you guys need is you need a virtual prepaid card. So instead of using your real bank card, on Craigslist to pay for your ads or any shopping period, you want to use a virtual card. That's important because we want to trick Craigslist into thinking that we're using a New York debit card, a New York number, whatever city and state that we're trying to post in. We want to assume that profile. And not to mention, privacy.com allows you to protect yourself so you don't really share your personal bank information online. So it's a free service. It's completely free. It allows you to create up to 10 virtual cards connected to one card. So we're going to go ahead and sign up for a free privacy.com account. We're going to click that. And we're going to sign up with your email and password. So let me go ahead and do that. Destined to be rich. I'm going to create a password. I am a U.S. resident, agree to terms, and I'm going to hit get started. All right. And then I'm going to go to my email address and I'm going to confirm my account and activate it. Okay. Give it a moment to load and get me in. All right. So again, that guy, Kyle McClinsky, he has a brand called Relentless Entrepreneur. He sells the advanced Craigslist training course. I didn't buy it. I found out on my own, because I'm very smart. But anyway, this is the email from privacy.com. We're going to left click on the email, confirm my email address. So therefore I can go ahead and add my credit card on the account and create a virtual card for my protection. Okay. So I verified the email. All right. So connect a funding source to start spending. Privacy cards work like debit cards. You're only charged for payments you make. No hidden fees or surprise charges. We love that. Okay. And if there is a refund, even if you delete the virtual card, it will still find its way back to your primary card. So I like that a whole lot. So you guys cannot mess up. So we're going to connect a funding source. So I'm going to put in my name, email, or name, address, your real information, okay? Date of birth, 07/07/1987, and my phone number. I'm gonna hit confirm phone number. Oh, it's already associated with another account. Okay. All right. Already associated. Well, dang. Let me just pick a random number. Now, obviously, you're going to put your real number there. Oh, and I got to confirm it. Oh, okay. Let me change my number. What can I change it to? Let's see. Before I do that, I'm not going to go all the way just to keep the video short. But once you add your phone number, they're going to send you a text, and then you're going to be able to activate your privacy card. And then let me pause the video, and I'm going to show you what this looks like. All right, guys. So what you're going to do basically is once you activate your account, you're going to add your debit card on here, and then you're going to have an opportunity to use your mouse and click new card. When you click new card, it's going to give you the option to give it a nickname. So you can probably call it the New York Craigslist card, and hit save. Or if it's Netflix or whatever it is, you can just do that. Whatever it is, hit save. Spending limit, let's just say $100. We can do $400. Let's just do that. We can hit add limit, and we're going to go ahead and hit create card. Now, this is your virtual card. So again, you've created an account, you've activated it with your phone number, and you've attached your bank card. So now you have the opportunity to create a new virtual card, which we did. And this is the card number 4767-7182-6163-9787-0126-581. So basically, this is the nickname, this is my spending limit, and this is my main card on file. Okay, so do not use this number, guys. I'm just giving this for demonstration purposes. Don't scam me, okay, child. Now, okay, but anyway, so now we got our virtual card. So the next thing we need to do is go ahead and post our first ad on Craigslist. So now I am gonna go to, this is what I'm gonna do. The first thing you're gonna do, guys, is you're gonna go to CC Cleaner. You're gonna clean your computer. That's the first thing you do. You always do that, okay? Number one, CC Cleaner, clean your computer. The next thing you do is you're gonna open up Google Chrome, and you're actually gonna go to incognito mode. Now, incognito mode means you are, you're basically in stealth mode. No one can track your IP address, okay? Your IP address is what is like, you know, how you have a home address. Your computer has an address called an IP address. And if you live in Atlanta, you have an Atlanta IP address. If you don't know what your IP address is, you can go to what is my IP and Google what is my IP, and it's gonna tell you this is your public IP address right here. You can click on whatismyipaddress.com and it'll give you that information as well. And this is really important. This is really important. My IP address, okay? So what you want to do is you want to be in incognito mode. So therefore, Craigslist doesn't track your IP address. Because if you're trying to post in New York, they see that you're in Atlanta, then that's a discrepancy and they're going to automatically deny your ad. So we've got to kind of be tricky. So what we're going to do, again, is if you're on Google Chrome, and again, I am a big fan of Google Chrome. Do not use Internet Explorer. Do not use Firefox. Google Chrome will give you a better user experience. It's smoother. It doesn't crash on you. Obviously, Internet Explorer is just horrible. So use Google Chrome. Download Google Chrome if you need to. What you're going to do is you're going to go to incognito mode by coming up here to the upper right corner. Scroll down to where it says new incognito window. And your screen is going to have this gray look to it, this gray color theme. And that's going to let you know that you can browse the internet privately and other people who use this device won't see your activity. But everything else will be saved, okay? It won't save your browsing history, your cookies, anything like that. And that's necessary in order to, my little cat over here. Move. My little cat. All right, say my little cat. I felt something on my thing. My little sugar girl. I'm gonna get my kisses. I'm gonna get all my kisses. All my sugar kisses. You're not gonna deny me my sugar. All right, so you're gonna be in incognito mode, and then you're gonna go to Craigslist.org, and we're gonna post in New York. All right, so we're going to Craigslist.org. Now we're in incognito mode. You always want to make sure, again, you use that CC cleaner first, and then clean your history, and then you want to make sure you're in incognito mode. And you'll know that because of this great look and this icon right here. So what you're going to do is you're not going to create an account at all. We're going to skip the account creation. Do not create an account. If you heard me say that in an earlier video, disregard that. This is new training for 2020, early 2020. Do not create the account. So you're going to come to where it says US cities. You're going to go to New York. And you're in incognito mode. Now we're ready to post our first ad. So before I actually post this first ad, my videos are 15 minutes or under. I have about 30 seconds left. So I'm just going to go ahead and pause the video right now. I will see you on episode 3. I will show you guys how to continue the rest of the recipe to getting your ad up in New York. And thank you for being here. And I will see you guys on the next video.